Do you know, these are the days when we all need something that's not just food, something that's unapologetically simple, a little bit naughty, and utterly perfect. Today we are giving the life-affirming cheese on toast the reverence it deserves, because this simple slice of heaven is about to become your new obsession. Now, first, a good thick slice of honest white bread. It's the perfect blank canvas, and we want to give it its first blast of heat, just on one side, toasted to a perfect burnished gold. And meanwhile, now for the star of the show. Let's prepare this glorious, unctuous topping. Firstly, take 60 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese, and into this golden heap we'll introduce the supporting cast. A tiny dash of milk, just a whisper, and then a generous dash of Worcestershire sauce for that deep, savoury base note. And for a lift, a capful of vinegar, pure sass. Now mix it all together and work it into a thick, glorious golden paste. Feel that wonderful sticky texture. This is pure edible alchemy. And once the bread's toasted on one side, spread our delicious cheese topping onto the untoasted side, generously right to the edges, and we want this bread completely enveloped in this delicious filling. And now, back under the grill. Now, we don't want this cheese just to melt, we want it to perform. So watch it, don't wander off, because this is pure seduction. You want those beautiful bubbly amber patches to appear as a mosaic of golden brown. Oh, look at this. This is just gorgeous. I mean, even the scent alone is enough to undo the most difficult of days. This is bubbling with enthusiasm. And that, my friends, is perfection. Oh. And if you found that little slice of decadence as life-affirming as I did, for more recipes, you might want to subscribe.